Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, and from here tap on the power button and select power off. Now once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and a volume up. So power, volume up, both of them at the same time. And when you see the Galaxy logo, you can let go. And as you can see, we're now in the recovery mode. So in this mode, you will need to use a volume keys to navigate. So volume down will go down, as you can see right now, volume up will go up. And power key will be used to confirm the selection. Now, unfortunately, if I place the tablet upright, the text will be basically out of the camera, so that's why it's like this right now, sideways. So just bear with me. And as you can see, you can reboot system now, which will just go back to Android from here, reboot to bootloader, apply updates from either ATP or SD card, wipe data, just erase the entire device, wipe cache partitions, mount and basically view systems, view recovery logs, run tests, run local tests, and simply power off the device. So whatever you select, like I said, you then want to confirm it with power key, and because I want to leave this mode, I will select reboot system now and confirm it with power key, like so. And now the device will be powering it back onto the Android. And as you can see, we're now back in the Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.